class? Okay, so let's start our class. Everybody, Tom, Sophia, Hannah, David. Okay, so we have here our lesson. So this is speaking test. Okay, so we are going to learn speaking today. All right, so everybody, let's look at the screen. Okay, let's find the differences. Okay, let's look at the picture and I want you to find the differences. Okay, let's start with this picture. Okay, what can you see on the picture, Tom? Can you tell teacher what can you see? I can see.
And I can see a cow.
Yes, I can see a cow. Okay, what else? How about Sophia? What can you see, Sophia?
I can see a bus.
I can see a bus. Very good. How about Hannah? Hannah, what can you see on the picture?
I can see trees.
Okay, I can see trees. All right. How about David?
I can see a book.
Okay, I can see a book. Okay, coming from the bag. Okay. How about Ben? Hello, Ben. What can you see on the picture?
I can see the uh back.
I can see a backpack, right? A backpack. All right, you can see a backpack. All right. So there you go. So those are the things you can see. Okay, let's look at the picture and let's look at what can we see. So very good. We can see cow, two cows, right? How many cows? Two cows. Okay, we can also see a bus. Yes. What's the color of the bus? What's the color? What is the color of the bus? Hannah.
It's yellow.
Okay, a yellow bus. All right. And we can also see trees. Okay. We can see a book coming from the backpack and a backpack. And how many people can you see, Ben? Ben, how many people can you see? How many people, Ben? Ben? Okay, where is Ben? How about Sophia? Sophia, how many people can you see?
There are three people.
Okay, there are three people. Yes. So we can see two boys and one girl. Okay. So there are three people, two boys and one girl. All right. So this time, let's practice speaking. So I want you to speak in complete sentences. Okay. So for example, you would say, in the picture, I can see, in the picture, I can see. Then you are going to tell teacher what are the things you can see in the picture. Okay? All right? So let's have the pattern. In the picture, I can see. Okay. So let's start with David. Okay, David, I want you to speak looking at the picture. So speak what you can see. Okay, ready, go.
In the picture, I can see two cows.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, we forgot this one. This one. This is a truck. Okay. So this is a truck. Uh, So we call that truck.
Truck,
Blue truck. Yeah, because the
blue
color
truck.
is blue. Okay, again, David, let's start with you. So let's start speaking. Okay, in the picture, ready, go.
In the picture, I can see blue truck.
What else? Yeah, I want you to speak and look at the picture. So tell teacher what are the things you can see, speak. Yes. Okay, go ahead. Okay, for example, I will give you an example. You would say, in the picture, I can see a yellow bus. I can see three people, two cows, truck or a blue truck, and trees. So that's how you say it. Okay. So I want you to speak, I want you to practice speaking English. So describe the picture. David, let's start with you. Ready, go.
In the picture, I can see a yellow bus, two cows, blue trucks, and tree.
Okay, you are going to say that three trees. Okay, three trees with S because more than one. If it is only one, then you would say one tree. But you can see three. One, two, three. So three trees. Don't forget the S. Okay. So let's start. Let's have Tom. Okay, Tom, I want you to speak using the picture. Ready, go. Tom, in the picture,
I can see a book.
again, you start with
In the
in the
picture,
picture.
I can see a book.
What else? Only book you can see, Tom. Only one picture you can see. How about the other pictures? How about this? How about this? How about this? How about this? This one, this one. Again, Tom. Okay, what are the things you can see in the picture? Ready, go.
In the picture, I can see a two cow.
Only two cows. You say that one, two cows. I can see two cows. Okay, I can see two cows. Again, Tom. Okay, describe the picture. Ready, go. Okay, Tom, let's start with you. Okay, everybody, I want you to listen to teacher and stop playing in your computer. Okay? You listen carefully. We are practicing how to speak in English. Okay? So you are here in the class to learn, not to play in your computer. Okay, let's have Ben. Okay, Ben, I want you to say, ready, go.
In the picture, I can see the two cows.
What else?
Uh,
Everybody, you speak in the picture. You tell teacher what are the things you can see. Not only one, but tell teacher all. All the things you can see. Okay? All right, let's have Anna. Okay, Anna, let's practice. Let's start with you.
in the picture, I can see the tree.
Again, everybody, how do you say it? Only one you can see in the picture? I want you to speak everything you can see in the picture. Do you follow, teacher? Okay, for example, in the picture, I can see a yellow bus, two cows, okay, three people, a bag, a book, okay, a book, three trees, and a truck. That's how you say it, everybody, okay? All right, that's how you say it. So let's practice. Let's practice. Everybody, you stop playing in your computer, okay? All right, let's have Sophia. Okay, Sophia.
In the picture, I can see two cows, three trees, three. Hello. In the picture, I can see two cows, two, three people, blue truck, yellow bus, a book, and a park.
Okay, very good, Sophia. That's how you do it, okay? Everybody, you will also do like that, okay? So you stop playing in your computer. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, how do you say it? Tom, I can see you are playing in your computer. So you stop playing, you listen to teacher. Okay, Tom, it's your turn to speak.
In the picture, I can see a yellow bird.
What else? Only yellow bus you can see? How about the other things in the picture? Tom. Again, Tom, again.
In the picture, I can see yellow birds.
Only one? Only yellow bus? How about the other things in the picture? Again, Tom, again. In the picture, I can see Tom. Again, Tom, only yellow bus you can see? What else you can see in the picture? Okay, I will go back to you, Tom, later. Let's have Hannah. Okay, Hannah, tell teacher what are the things you can see in the picture.
In the picture, uh, I can see two cows, a blue truck, a bus, a yellow bus, a book, a bag, uh, three three trees, and three people.
Okay, very good, Hannah. That's how you do it, Tom. Okay? So you are going to describe the picture. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom. Okay, you stop playing in your computer, Tom. Okay, I want you to listen. Okay, describe the picture. In the picture, okay, Tom. Tom is not listening. How about David? David is busy. Okay, David, it's your turn. Okay, describe the picture.
In the picture, I can see 2 cows, 3 trees, 3 purples, blue trucks, oh, yellow bus.
Okay, very good. How about Ben? Okay, Ben, I want you to describe the picture. Okay, Ben, it's your turn. Ready,
In the
go.
picture, I can see three T, 2 cow,
Mm-hmm.
yellow bus, black book, and 2 wheel.
Okay, two cows. You can see 2 cows there, right? 2 cows. Okay, 3 people, 3 trees. Okay, let's have Tom. Okay, Tom, it's your turn. Tom, I want you to describe the picture. Ready, go.
I can see 2 cows.
In the picture,
In the picture, I can see 2 cows,
2 cows.
3 trees,
Then,
3 people,
mm-hmm. Then, and a blue
and
truck.
blue truck.
Okay, and a blue truck. Okay, so there you go. All right. Okay, this time. So very good, everybody. That's how you describe the picture. Okay, so now let us look at this sentence. Okay, so you have it there. In this picture, I can see a yellow bus. Okay, so you can see a yellow bus, a truck, 2 cows, a boy with a backpack, a book. Okay, the boy under the tree. So we can say the boy under the tree. The boy under the tree. The boy with the backpack. The girl inside the car. Okay? So this is how we say it. Everybody, let's say it together. Okay, everybody say the boy under the tree. Ready? Go. The boy under the tree.
The boy under the tree.
Okay, the boy under the boy with the backpack.
The boy
The
with the
boy with the
backpack.
backpack.
Okay, all right, that's it. Very good. Okay, so this time let's proceed to the next picture. Okay, let's look at this. All right, so how many cows you can see? How many cows? How many cows? Let's count. How many cows? There are?
There are 3 cows.
Okay, very good. There are 3 cows, Hannah. How about the bus? What's the color of the bus?
is a red bus.
Okay, red bus. All right. Then look at the boy's bag. What's that? Inside or outside the bag?
Scarf.
Yes, very good. It's a scarf. Okay. So the boy with the backpack and a scarf.
Cap.
Okay. Look at the boy under the tree. What is he doing? What is the boy doing under the tree? The boy is
The boy is
okay, sitting under the tree.
sitting.
Okay. The boy is sitting under the tree. And the truck. What's the color of the truck? What's the color of the truck?
Is blue.
The blue truck.
Shop.
Okay, and still we can see the girl inside the red bus.
Red bus.
And we can also see three trees.
trees.
Okay, and a sun. I can see a sun.
Yes.
Yes, I can see a sun. Okay, so that's it. Let's practice now speaking, okay? So let's describe the picture. Okay, everybody, let's describe the picture. So let's start with Anna. Okay, Anna, describe the picture. In the picture, I can see
In the picture, I can see three trees.
Three cows.
in the picture, I can see Anna.
I can see three trees.
I can see the three trees.
Three trees.
Okay, what else? Three trees. Okay, what else can you see aside from the tree? What else? What else, Anna?
Mm,
mm-hmm. What else can you see in the picture? Trees. What else? The truck, the cow, the bus, the people. What else, Anna?
three trees.
I can see three trees. Okay, what else?
I can see three cows.
Sorry, we are
Red
Hannah,
bus.
Hannah. Okay, I am talking to Anna. Okay, I am talking to Anna. Anna first. Anna. Okay, Anna, you first. Okay, describe the picture. Anna.
In the picture, I can see three trees.
That's all? Only one you can see?
I
What
can
else?
see
The trees, what else? How about this? Anna. Three.
three up. There are three cows.
Okay, what else? This one.
The boy with the parka and the
Scarf.
cow.
Scarf. So you pronounce that scarf. Okay, this one.
The boy is sitting under the tree.
Okay, this one.
The blue truck.
This one.
The girl in the red bus.
The red bus.
Red bus.
Okay, this one. The girl inside
The girl inside the red bus.
Okay, this one.
I I can see a sun.
Okay, you can see a sun. All right. So there you go, Anna. Okay. Let's have Ben. Okay, Ben. I want you to describe the picture, Ben. In the picture, I can see Ben. Where is Ben? Ben. I'm calling you, Ben. Ben. Where is Ben? Ben. Okay, let's have David. Okay, David, describe the picture.
In the picture, I can see three trees, three cows, a blue truck,
Mm-hmm.
red bus, red scarf. I can see a sun. The girl inside the red bus.
Okay. All right, that's it. Very good. How about Hannah? Hannah, describe the picture.
In the picture, I can see three cows, a red bus, the boy with the backpack and a scarf. The
Mm-hmm.
boy is sitting under the tree. The the blue truck. The girl inside the red bus.
Mm-hmm.
I can three trees. I can see a sun.
Okay, I can see three trees. Okay, let's have Sophia. Sophia, describe the picture. Ready, go.
In the picture, I can see three cows, a red bus, the boy with the backpack, and a backpack and scarf. The boy is sitting under the tree, the blue truck, the girl inside the red bus. I can see three trees. I can see a sun.
Okay, very good. Let's have Ben. Okay, Ben, it's your turn. Describe the picture. Ben,
Uh,
in the picture, I can see.
in the picture, I can see the three cow, uh, red bird, and uh, three cheese.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Let's have Tom. Tom. Okay, Tom, let's start with you. Okay, Tom, it's your turn. Tom, describe the picture. Next, Tom. Tom is playing the computer. Okay, you're playing Tom, you're not listening. Tom, describe the picture. Tom. Tom, it's your turn. Tom,
The girl
describe the picture.
inside the red bus.
Tom. Okay, Tom, how do you say it? In the picture, I can see. In the picture, I can see.
In the picture, I can see a sun.
What else? What else? Tom, what else can you see in the picture? Okay, Tom, you're not following teacher. Okay, this time, everybody, let us now look at the next page. Okay, so we are going to say in this picture, I can see a red bus. Okay, so now let us now look at the differences. Okay, so how do we say it? So how do we say it? For example, in this picture, there is a yellow bus, but in that picture, there is a red bus. Okay, everybody? Okay, you follow teacher. Let's say together. Ready, go. In this picture, there is a yellow bus. But in that picture, there is a red bus. Okay, that's how we say it. Then another one. In this picture, the boy with the book, the boy with the backpack and a book. But in that picture, the boy has a backpack and a scarf. Okay? In this picture, there is a boy under the tree standing. The boy is standing under the tree. But in that picture, the boy is sitting. Okay? In this picture, there are two cows. But in that picture, there are three cows. Okay? In this picture, there is a cloud. Okay? So we call that cloud. Okay? There is a clouds. Cloud. There is clouds. Or there are clouds. But in this picture, there is a sun. Okay? So you are going to describe the differences. Okay? Describe the differences in the picture. Okay, so let's start with Hannah. Hannah, okay, I want you to describe the picture. Only one, Hannah. Say only one.
In the picture, the boy is with the book. But is that picture. The boy is with the scarf.
Okay, very good. How about Sophia?
In this picture, there are two cows, but in that picture, there are three cows.
Okay, very good. How about David? Okay, describe only one.
In this picture, there is a cloud, but but in that picture, there is a sun.
There is a sun. Okay, good. Okay, let's have Ben. Ben, okay, describe the differences.
In this picture, the farm is standing, but in that picture, the farm is
The boy.
sitting.
Yeah, that's the boy. Okay, the boy is standing and the boy is sitting in that picture. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, it's your turn. Describe the picture.
In the picture, there is a two cow,
There
but
are
there are two
cows.
cows.
Mm-hmm.
But in that picture, there are three cows.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Let's have Anna. Anna, it's your turn.
In the picture, there are two cows,
Cows.
but in that picture, there is
There are.
there are three cows.
Okay, 3 cows, 2 cows. Okay, everybody, good job. Okay, so that's good. Okay, let's now go to the next. So let's tell a story. Okay, let's learn from this. So this is Claire. Claire's birthday. So in the picture, we can see Claire. So this is Claire. Okay? All right, next. So we can say in picture 1, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday presents. So that's it. Okay. So everybody, let's practice. Ready? Go. In this picture, in picture 1,
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday present.
okay, Sophia only is reading. How about the others? Open your microphone. Okay, let's read together. In the picture, in picture
In
1,
picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday's presents.
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 Okay, everybody, let's read. Okay, how about Tom? Tom, let's read. In picture 1,
In picture one,
in picture 1, Claire.
Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday
Presents.
presents.
Okay, let's have David. David, please read. In
In
picture
picture
1,
one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about their birthday presents.
Okay. How about Ben? Ben.
In the picture one,
Mm.
Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday present.
Okay. All right, that's good. How about Anna? Anna, please read.
In picture one, Claire in the working back home and thinking about her birthday parents.
Presents.
Parents.
Presents.
Parents.
Presents.
Parents.
Okay, how do you say it? Present.
Presents. Presents. Presents.
Presents.
Parents.
Okay. All right, let's move. Okay, let's remember that. Okay, let's practice now. Looking at the picture. Okay, let's start with Sophia. Sophia, describe the picture.
In picture one, Claire is
Mm-hmm. Claire is walking.
walking to back home and
Okay,
thinking
walking back home.
back home and thinking about her
Birthday presents.
birthday present.
Okay. How about Hannah? Hannah. Hannah.
In picture one, Claire is walking back home and thinking about her birthday present.
Okay, back home. Walking back
Back
home.
home.
And
Walking
thinking
back home.
about her birthday presents.
B-
Thinking
birthday
about her
present.
birthday presents.
A birthday present.
Okay, how about Ben? Okay, let's have Ben. Okay, Ben, describe the picture. Okay, let's have Tom. Tom, describe the picture. Tom, it's your turn, Tom. Describe the picture. Tom, describe the picture. In picture one, Tom, Tom. Are you listening, Tom? I want you to describe the picture. Tom. Tom, it's your turn. You're not listening to teacher. Tom. Tom. Tom?
I don't remember.
Yeah, you don't remember because you're not listening. Okay? So Claire is, how do you say it? Claire is walking back. Okay, let's have picture 2. In picture 2, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prepare for her birthday. Okay? But that is just a model answer. I want you to describe the picture. Okay? So describe the picture. Okay, let's describe the picture. What can you see in the picture? Let's have Sophia. Sophia, what can you see in the picture?
I can see a park.
I can see
I can see a park.
a bag. Okay, you can see a bag. Then, what else? Mm-hmm. Okay, how about Hannah? Hannah, what can you see in the picture? Mm-hmm.
The mom is cooking.
The mom is cooking. Very good. How about David? What can you say in the picture?
In the picture, I can see a picture.
Mm-hmm. In the picture, I can see what? Sorry.
I can see a picture.
Ah, you can see a picture. Which picture? This one? A newspaper?
No.
Which one? Yes, clear.
Is uh on the road.
On the wall, you can see a picture. This one?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What is this person doing, David? What is dad doing in the picture? This is dad, this is mom. What is dad doing?
That is reading.
Reading the,
Reading the
what is this? Newspaper.
newspapers.
Okay, that's newspaper. Correct. Next. Look at Claire. Ben. Where is Ben? Look at Claire, Ben.
We have a that
Mm-hmm. Yes. Sorry, Ben. Can you say it again? I can see what is mom doing in the picture, Ben? What is mom doing?
she is cooking.
Okay, she is cooking. Okay. How about uh Tom? Tom, what is Claire doing? What is Claire doing, Tom? Mm-hmm. What is Claire doing, Tom? Claire is Tom. What is Claire doing? Claire is, look at his face. Claire is, she is, she is, she is what? She is, she is, Tom,
She
she
is sad.
is sad. Okay, Tom, you're always playing in your computer. You're not listening to teacher. Okay, everybody, let's read the sentence. Ready, go. Let's read together. Everybody, open your mouth. Open your microphone. In picture 2,
In picture 2, when she arrived at home, she feels sad because there were no gifts, and her family did not prepare her for her birthday.
okay, very good, Hannah. So Hannah is good because Hannah is reading. How about the others? Okay, let's have Sophia. Please read the sentence. In picture 2,
In picture 2, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts and her family did not prepare her for her birthday.
okay, that's it. So there you go. How about David? David, please read.
In the picture too, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gift and her family did not prepare for her birthday.
Okay. Okay, let's have Anna. Okay, Anna, please read. Anna?
In picture 2, when she arrived at home, she felt sad because there were no gifts, and her family did not
Prepare.
prepare for her birthday.
Okay, good. How about Ben? Ben, please read. Ben. It's your turn, Ben. Please read.
When she arrived at home, she first asked because there were no gifts, and her family did not prepare for her birthday.
Okay. All right. So there you go. How about Tom? Okay, Tom, please read. In picture 2,
In picture 2, when
when she arrived.
she arrived at home, she left sad because there were no gifts and her family did not.
Okay, everybody say arrived. Arrived. Felt. Felt. Okay. Arrived. Felt. Okay, everybody. So I will give this as your homework. I want you to practice reading this. Okay. I want you to practice describing the picture. So that's your homework. Everybody, I want you to write that in your notebook or in your book. Okay? And describe the two pictures. Okay, so there you go. So, okay, thank you so much for today, everybody. So that ends our class for today. Okay? So thank you so much. I will see you next class. Okay? Bye for now. See you. Bye.
Goodbye.